Hi, Dr. Joe Vitale, and today's your day. Today I want you to awaken. I want you to awaken to the power that's within you. It's been a sleeping giant. There is a lion inside of you, and it has been waiting to roar. It has been waiting to come alive. It has been waiting to seize the moment, seize the time, seize the new year, and to have, do, or be anything you can imagine. That sleeping giant has been inside of you. I had one inside of me, and for the longest time I struggled, I suffered, I was in poverty, I was homeless, and then I awakened. I awakened to that drive within me. I awakened to the lion within me. I awakened to the fire that was within me. It's the same thing within you, but you need to awaken, and now is the time to awaken, and we're going to do it in a magnificent way. This is something I am profoundly excited about. I can barely sit still as I begin to tell you about this, because what we're doing is releasing something that has never been done before. Let me quickly tell you, I am in love with books. You can see books behind me, but there's books all around me. I am a book nerd. I am a book addict. I write books, read books, collect books, and I'm profoundly moved by books. I can tell you with total sincerity that my success is because of books and my applying what I learned. Now, here's something you don't know. One of the books that profoundly influenced me, deeply moved me, decades ago, is a book that came out 100 years ago in 1917. A book by the title of How to Get What You Want. How to Get What You Want. Orison Swett Marden. He wrote 50 books. He founded Success Magazine. He wrote a lot of books. His most famous is called Pushing to the Front, which was republished so many times. Presidents read it, memorized it. Generals, military people, influentials, the most successful people all read his book, that book, and this book, How to Get What You Want. Now, this book came out in 1917. I love it so much, I have 6 or 7 copies of it. This is one of the most beautiful copies I have, unmarked, in a protective mylar cover at this point. I love this book. Memorize this book. The secrets to success are in this book. Now, here's the thing. You can go get the book at the library. You can find used copies of it on eBay. You can find new copies reprinted on Amazon. You can go read the book. But that's not going to help you. You know why? Because the book is 100 years old. It's in dated language. It's almost disguised with metaphor and symbolism and with a dated way of communicating. So the book needs upgraded. It needs updated. Now, the way I use it is I update it in my own mind. When I read books like this one, in my head, I translate it into modern terms and I apply it to day-to-day living so I can make it practical and use it today. So even if you went and found the book and you read the book, you won't have the profound impact that I've had in my life, because I'm doing something in my head that most people, and probably you, don't do. You read the book for what it is, and it's awkward and it's going to be hard to read. What do you do about that? That's where we have the greatest news of all time. I have teamed up with my friend, my partner, my colleague, Dr. Steve G. Jones. We've done lots of products together, and he and I have created video tutorials on every chapter in this book. And we've done it to bring the book to life. We have translated and updated the language and put it in modern terms and explained it so you don't even have to read the book. Now, you can have the book when you get this new program, but what you really want isn't the book. You want our tutorials, our lessons, our video commentary on every chapter. I've done some of the video commentaries. Dr. Steve has done the other ones. I had a blast doing this because I dug into this book. I found the gems in this book, and then I brought them to life for you. I went through and articulated them as clearly as I could. I dumbed it down, I expanded it, I made it so you can understand it. Now, why do you want this book? Look at the title, How to Get What You Want. I'm betting that right now there's some things in your life you don't have yet, things that maybe you've strived for and failed to get so far. Maybe you're missing a piece of the puzzle. Maybe there's some more motivation, information, inspiration that you need. Maybe there's another technique. I'm here to tell you it's in this book. More than that, it's in the video modules that Dr. Steve and I have created that explain this book so that you don't have to read the book. You can if you like. Please do. I'm encouraging you to be literate and to read books. But more importantly, spend the time to go through the modules. They're easy, they're short, they're powerful, they're designed to awaken you. And I'm using this term awakened to be in alignment with the book's message, because the very first chapter of the book is a story about a lion cub who grows up among sheep and thinks it's a sheep, until one day it actually discovers a real lion and hears the real roar of the lion, and it awakens and realizes, I'm not a sheep. In modern terms, I'm not a victim. I'm not powerless. I am the most powerful being of all time. You are the most powerful being of all time, but you haven't known that yet. I know you've invested in other programs and maybe they've helped you. I think all of the programs help in one way or another. I think we all need to keep investing in ourselves and our self-worth and our self-knowledge and our self-improvement. I still invest in programs. I still go to seminars. I still get inspired by other people, other books, other products, other videos. I don't know it all. You probably don't know it all, so we can still learn more. So what I'm excited about today is to say that this program, the updated version of How to Get What You Want with the book, comes with all the modules that Dr. Steve and I have created to help you understand the book and apply that. And then we've created a wealth of bonuses to help install these principles in your mind. So this is the time to take action, to renew your enthusiasm for life, renew your intentions and your goals for life, and to take action on all of them. And the action you want to take today, right now, is to read this copy, this sales letter, this memo from me. Really sit with it. Really take it in and understand the power of this. Look on the website and read all those different modules and see what we describe in every one of them. They are powerful. This is the kind of stuff that you can repeatedly go back to, because it's going to keep energizing you and keep inspiring you. I can't stress enough how unique this program is, how powerful this program is, how one of a kind this program is, and it's bringing to life a work of genius. This book has influenced a lot of people, not just me, because it came out in 1917 and a lot of people have read it, a lot of people are still reading it. But now it's time to actually bring it to life in your life and apply it so you can get anything you want. How to get what you want. Isn't it time? The time is now. The moment is now. I say seize the moment. You are more than you ever thought before. You are the lion. I want to hear you roar. And as you roar, get this today. This is all in your self-interest. This is all an investment in you. You know it. Feel it in your bones. Feel the power of this and take action today.